Hello everyone, I'm Simon. Welcome to our show. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of baked bean stuffing. To prepare this baked bean stuffing, we need some boiled potatoes, large size, baked beans, tin one, onion, black pepper, salt, tomato ketchup, garlic cloves and mint leaves. We need to boil our potatoes. So here I already boiled the potatoes. So once you boil the potatoes, you cut these potatoes into half. So now we need to do this. We will scoop out these potatoes from the middle. For that you can use a spoon, or if you have a scooper you can also use a scooper. So take out scoop of the potatoes from the middle. Make a nice scoop like this, because inside we are going to put these baked beans. So that's why I said it is always good to take big potatoes, so that you get enough place to put the stuffing in. So once the potato is scooped, the next we will make the filling inside this. So for that, we need to chop this onion and garlic. A very fine chop of onion and garlic. We'll take the garlic and we'll chop in the same way. So once the pan is hot now, we will put this onion garlic in the pan. So in this way, you need a non-stick pan for this, so that you don't have to use any oil to saute the garlic and onion. Just saute it for a minute. So once it will saute, we will add the tomato ketchup in it, and then last we will add the baked beans. So once the onion is turned little brown in color, we will add tomato ketchup. Here we will add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. We'll take baked beans. So for 4 potatoes, we will take 4 large scoop of baked beans. Just for addition, we will take some more, and we'll mix it in a very low heat. Here we will put some black pepper and just a pinch of salt. So as I told you, the baked beans is the tin one, so it is already ready. So once it is coated with the tomato ketchup, just leave it from the fire, and now we are going to put it in the potato. Now we got some mint leaf here. You can just garnish it with the mint leaf. So that's our garnish is ready. So now we will present it on a platter. So this is just a garnish, like carrots are there. So we'll put the potatoes here. So here our baked bean stuffing is ready. It is healthy because we know how important beans are for our health, and potato used is boiled potato, and the best part, as I told you, we didn't use a single drop of oil in it. Just an advice, in place of these baked beans, you can also use chickpeas in the same way. Means you have to boil the chickpeas and you just toss it with the onion, garlic and tomato ketchup. So try it at home. Definitely you are going to like it. Thanks for watching our show. Hope you enjoyed our recipe today. Next time we will come with another healthy recipe. Till then, eat healthy and stay healthy.